Hey y'all, what is up everybody? What is up YouTube? Sparking Mark, and I'm back to do a review and unboxing of a certain item. Now, what did I get here? And it's from Shipping Express, yes, and heck, what did I get in this damn thing? Well, enough chit chat. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Like, right now, with this. Let's unwrap it. Slice and dice. Alrighty, folks. So what was in that box? One, a magazine of BUDK. BUDK. USMC. U.S. Marine Corps. That's what it stands. USMC. U.S. Marine Corps Commando Knife. And this one is selling for 25 bucks at Bud K. BUDK. Wonderful, wonderful knife, isn't it, folks? Let me give you a little close-up. Yes. U.S. Marine Corps, baby. Oh, yeah. Here's the website, or you can have the phone call. Your choice if you want to get one. Oh, rad. I don't know if I'm not sponsoring this, but all right. So for this Light Strike knife, yep, and it has a skull crusher. The one you saw from 2 years ago, but different. Very badass. Then you got like a cane sword-esque, known as the wow, protection for any gentleman. Wow, I should get my grandpa this. Too bad I couldn't get this from my grandpa back when he was alive, you know. Oh well, beggars can't be choosers. Well, I can't even tell what this is. Is this a chainsaw? A portable chainsaw. Wow. I don't know. It looks kind of off, though. Ooh, what do we have here, folks? Ooh, a Bowie knife. A gunslinger Bowie knife in the house. Very cool. Amazing, amazing in the Westerns. An outlaw, folks. Switchblade. Brand new. For only 60 bucks. Bowie knife, $46.98. Lightning Strike OTF nav with the skull crusher cap, 90 bucks. $89.99, but this one here is $59.99. That's 60 bucks right there. For this portable chainsaw, it's $34.99. I don't know about that, but this one, 159 bucks. Good price. Maybe I'll get that. I don't know. All right, pay homage. Ooh, look at this particular knife. For the Marines. Only for $26.99, and here's for the Fusion and Elegance. Very cool knife. Read that carefully, folks, and it's only $46.99. That's $47. For battery and other things. Very cool, folks. And this set only costs you about, wow, $129.99. That's 130 bucks. Oh yeah, folks. Look at these carefully. Salute to the Marines. Too bad my grandfather never served in the Marines. Wow, 50 cents for a sword. Cool. Cool. Oh, Hibben. Gil Hibben. Cool. Wish this was solar. Drawing X. Whoa. Sword. Very interesting. Way awesome. Smooth, razor sharp edge. Cool. Awesome. Alrighty, folks, here it is. Brimstone Canyon Machete. In other words, a machete Bowie knife. Look at that, folks. So it's the Ridge Runner Brimstone Canyon Machete. Oh, look at that. Does this design and look familiar to you folks? It should be, because it would be used in the 2008 film Rambo 4. And man, it looks badass. Let's look quickly in the back. You already see the front. The side to side. And the back. Alright, folks, pause that very carefully and read it. And of course, includes nylon self to carry it around your belt loop. Rad. Let's see the weapon itself. There it is. In all its wisdom. Or that's supposed to be packaged. Here's the weapon. Here it is. Alright, and the weapon itself. It's easy. Buckle here. Yep, there it is. Buckle there. And this one. Oh, yes. Here it is. Ooh. Hear that? Sharp, deadly, magnificent. Ultimately, a badass. Sorry about that. Gotta get this a little cleaning. Hold on a second, folks. Just cleaned it with alcohol, wiped it down good. So yeah. Smooth. And yeah, this would definitely have a similarity to Rambo 4. Let's see a little whoosh. Okay. And we have just a little bit of zoom, but here it is. Now, in the case of this particular weaponry in your possession, just look how magnificent it is. Be extreme careful, and this does weight. Thank goodness. Got big hands. Imitating Friday 13.5 in the beginning. So yeah, depends how good you can like swing. Seriously, this is one big knife. Or just a machete in general, but this design has the hallmark or the blueprint from the Rambo knife from 2008. Huh. Don't know what the hell that is. But ultimately, this is the ultimate baddest of the bad. You should be taking this with you either for defense or you're going to be cutting through some trees, some wood, maybe some sticks, trimming, or sharpening something. So yeah, hold it in your hand and you got yourself one badass machete. And the Seth, whatever you call it, is one big piece. You can fit this around your belt loop. You can buckle on the edges. So yeah, tell me what you guys think about this type of machete. It is big. Anybody's ever seen one or ever touched one or would have bought one, would have been dying for one. So yeah. So yeah. Very smooth bladed, baby. Smooth. Let's put it back where it was, folks. So yeah, this is one sophisticated weapon of a sort. But yeah, definitely baddest of the bad. Crazies of the crazies. So folks, if you like content like this or other content, please click the bell on the subscribe button to be notified of all new uploads. Like the videos, always appreciate thumbs ups and comments down below. So yeah, folks, what do you think? Ever seen a weapon like this before? If you have, let me know in the comments. Also, I'm in the YouTube community. I often post what time I post videos at a certain time, whether it be the afternoon hours or the early evening hours. And plus, let's give a shout out to that thing of ours, to the physical media collectors, to the toy collectors, and watch collectors, and all you collectors out there. Shout outs to you all, folks. So, yeah. And also, shout outs to my subscribers. You know who you are. So, y'all. This is Sparky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all take care. God bless you. Enjoy Thursday, y'all. And later. Good evening. Woo!